So this is my goose friend Gibble, and I'm not sure he or she, but Gibble has a twisted leg. Not quite, the foot's not all quite there, and they kind of walk funny. So I call them Gibble. Right, Gibble? Right? Yeah. Okay. Oh, no. Says, don't bug me. The other ones bug me all the time. Hey, easy, guys. Sometimes they get a bit ornery. Ornery. There's your word for the day. Not you. Not you, Gibble. It's funny when you see them walking up. It's but I mean, well, it's not funny. Hey, leave Gibble alone. You all right, Gibble? Okay. Have a good day.